Before installation, first, remove the battery. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to remove the saddle. Remove the motor hull and speedline connectors. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws and remove the motor phase wires. Cut off the securing cable tie. Use a chain breaker to remove the chain. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to remove the rear brake. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench to remove the rear wheel. First, press the cable inward, then remove the rear wheel outward. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to remove the fender. Cut off the securing cable tie and pull back the brake cable to extend its length. Install the track. Battery bar. Installation. Rear shock absorber installation. Adjustable wrench. Through axle. Cable tie. 2 5 mm Allen wrenches and 1 4 mm Allen wrench. Note: the GT73 PRO track shock absorber must be installed in the upper mounting holes. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Install, as demonstrated in the video. Use a 4 mm Allen wrench to install the battery bar. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Use a 5 mm Allen wrench to install and adjust the brake. Squeeze the rear brake lever tightly to align the brake caliper properly, then tighten the brake caliper mounting bolts. Organize and secure the wires and cables with cable ties. Match the cable colors with the mounting hole colors, then tighten the screws. Connect to the motor hull connector and the speed wire connector. Secure the brake cables and hoses with cable ties. Install the battery to test if the track wheel is functioning properly. Install the saddle and tighten the screws alternately. Use a 4mm Allen wrench and an 8mm Allen wrench to remove the front wheel. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to remove the front fork decorative panel. Install the sledge. 4mm, 5mm, and 8mm Allen wrenches, an adjustable wrench, and a through axle. Use 8mm and 4mm Allen wrenches to tighten the screws. Use a 5mm Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench to tighten the screws alternately. Use a 5mm Allen wrench to install. Attention! For the GT73 PRO sledge shock absorber mounting holes, adjust to the second position for installation.